Hi there, I'm Allison Morgan, Branch Manager for VMBS HWT, and this is Financial Fridayz. So we're almost at the end of February, the wonderful month that is Black History Month and the month of love. Butterflies and hearts, and you're feeling bubbly and cuddly because love is all you need, right? Wrong. You also need money. So let me take you on a journey today about balancing love and money. Let's go. Why is having money conversations with your significant other so important? Why is it even necessary? Can't we just leave it to the side and just focus on all the nice things? No, we can't. Because research has shown that the leading cause of separation and divorce is issues relating to money. We don't want that to happen to you. So Your Building Society is here to give you tips about how to approach this in a way that makes it easier, practical, and worth your while, so you can have a lasting relationship. Whether you're in a new relationship or a long-term committed partnership or marriage, there are some things that never go away. So the best thing is to be proactive about your approach to ensure that your union can flourish. Conversations like, what are your money habits? Are you a spender or are you a saver? Where did you learn how to do your finances? Did you ever seek financial advice from a professional? Sometimes the things that were taught growing up might not necessarily hold true in today's world. A whole lot has changed. Maybe you need to get refreshers. There are lots more things available that you can do that you possibly weren't able to do 10 or 15 years ago. Things like how you will pay your bills are really, really important and need to be discussed and agreed. Why is something like bill payment so important? Guess what? The bill payment companies, the utility companies, are actually now reporting to the credit bureaus in Jamaica. If you have not yet gotten a home or you have other major financial goals that will require you to seek credit financing, paying a bill late can actually stop you from hitting that milestone. That's not something that you want. Let me give you a real life practical example. If your utility bill is due on the 15th, and you log on the 14th or the 15th to pay it using a third-party service provider, do you know that by the time it hits the utility company, you will be recorded as paying your bill late? Now, it doesn't matter what type of arrangement caused it. The fact is, you're late. We don't want that to happen to you. So you need to have these conversations. So if it's a situation where one partner is more astute at remembering due dates, setting up alerts, setting up auto payments, then you can delegate it to that person to ensure that both your credit ratings are not at risk. Other topics for your financial conversation with your partner, significant other, could include, are we going to utilize a monthly budget? I highly suggest you do. Are we going to keep separate accounts? Are we going to keep joint accounts? Maybe we can have a hybrid. The truth is, putting all your money in a joint account kind of is a little risky. Takes away your individuality, but it's okay. It's not a hard yes or a hard no. You can do both. Are you going to have children? Do you already have children? Do you want more? How are you going to finance their college education? The cost for tuition now is on average about $400,000 per term, and that's a local cost. Do you need to perhaps explore tax-free options so you can ferret off some money each month for that? Victoria Mutual has a suite of solutions that you can look forward to assist you. If you never knew about tax-free benefits before, now you can tap into that. So there are many, many conversations that you need to have to ensure that you sleep well at night, to ensure that when you have saved and worked really, really hard, nothing stops you from hitting those major milestones and those goals. Because as I said earlier, love is not all you need. To summarize this episode of Financial Fridayz, here are a few topics that I want you to make sure you include in your conversations with your spouse or your significant other. Topics such as your appetite for bill payment, mortgage loans, your credit score, credit card debt, major life goals, your risk appetite, things like those. You get the gist. Do not let money ruin a good thing. Once you've had that conversation, the next step for you is to reach out to a professional like myself and the team at Victoria Mutual. We are always available to assist you, to guide you, to give you expert advice. So that's what we do. We've been doing it for quite a while. So drop us a line, send us an email at manager@myvmgroup.com or give us a call, 876-754-8627. We are going to get you on a journey of financial well-being. I'm Allison Morgan, and this was Financial Fridayz. Thanks for tuning in.